How to avoid being added to WhatsApp group without your permission on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Then click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. After that, you will find all these options. Click on Settings. In Settings, simply scroll down and click on Privacy. After you click on Privacy, simply scroll down in here and you will find Groups. Click on Groups. Then you will find Option. Make sure your green dot is in My Contacts. You can also click My Contact Accept and add people in here as well. But if you keep My Contacts, only people from your contacts will be able to add you to any WhatsApp group. This is how to avoid being added to WhatsApp group without your permission on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.